Take a ride in the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.